AI image generation explained, fun, and easy. Hi everyone. Imagine you type in something totally unhinged like a cyberpunk hamster eating a taco on Mars in Google Gemini 3 or other generative AI models, and boom. An image appears that never existed in human history. It feels like magic, but spoiler alert, it definitely isn't. We're stripping away the hype to see what's actually happening under the hood. Is it just a super fast Google search? No, it isn't. In the next 5 minutes, we are breaking down the secret as how Gen AI turns text into image. Welcome to this deep dive. First off, what even is generative AI? Generative AI is a branch or subset of AI that creates new content by learning patterns from large datasets. Unlike traditional AI, which classifies or predicts, generative AI produces original outputs, such as text responses, images, or even new product designs. Imagine feeding an AI millions of examples of music. Over time, it learns the structure, rhythm, and style of songs. When prompted, it can then compose a new piece of music that sounds similar but is unique. The text, image, or music generation process typically involves 5 steps. Step 1. Data collection, gathering large data sets, such as images, text, or audio. Step 2. Model training, using deep learning techniques like neural networks to recognize patterns. Step 3. Fine-tuning, adjusting the model with domain-specific data for accuracy. Step 4. Generation, producing new content when given a prompt or input. And finally, Step 5. Model refinement. Human feedback or additional AI algorithms help refine the generated outputs. To get this education, these models look at billions of images from the internet, on any subject, for example, sunset. Or study a picture of a cat alongside the caption, "a cute tabby cat," billions of times until they develop a mathematical understanding of catness and sunsetness. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel at Everything AI 2026, click the like button, and share the video. Thank you. Now, here's where it gets weird. How does it actually start drawing? Modern AI art doesn't start with a nice, clean, blank canvas. It starts with total chaos. Most top-tier generators use something called a diffusion model. Imagine taking a perfect photo and slowly adding static noise 1,000 times until the image is just random gray fuzz. The AI model is trained to reverse this mess. Its entire job is to look at that grainy static and guess, what image used to be here before the noise showed up? It subtracts the noise, step by tiny step, to reveal a clean image underneath. But wait, if it just starts with random static, how does it know to sculpt a truck or an airplane? That's where your prompt acts as the director. Before the sculpting starts, your words are translated by a separate AI, often called clip, into a complex mathematical vector, basically a list of numbers that represents the meaning of your words. This math is injected into the process to act as a guide. Think of the director standing behind the sculptor, which is the diffusion model, shouting, "Carve a hamster, make it neon, put it in space." In every single step of removing noise, the model checks that math to make sure it's nudging pixels toward the objects requested by the prompt. This denoising loop happens maybe 50 or 100 times in just a few seconds. Once the noise is gone, The final math is decoded into pixels, and voila, a cyberpunk hamster eating a taco. Just remember, the AI didn't find this. It basically hallucinated a brand new image out of random noise, guided by the mathematical ghosts of the billions of images it studied. It's not magic. It's just a very, very complicated game of guess what's behind the static based on the workflow you see here. Essentially, a text encoder that converts your prompt into fixed-size vector representations that capture semantic meaning using tokenization. Finally, an image decoder uses this vector to generate the final pixel-based image. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech explainers. See you next time.